Welcome to this review of Affstar. In this video, we'll dive deep into the platform, exploring its features, ease of use, and what you can expect when using it. If you're looking for a straightforward affiliate marketing solution, Affstar claims to offer a lot of potential. Let's begin by looking at the homepage. Right from the start, you can see that the interface is clean and user-friendly. It doesn't have a steep learning curve, so even beginners can navigate it comfortably. One of the standout features is the variety of affiliate programs available. You'll find a wide range of options, from physical products to digital services, which is ideal for diversifying your affiliate marketing efforts. After logging in, you can quickly view your earnings, track your performance, and check the available campaigns. The dashboard is well organized, displaying real-time analytics, so you can stay updated on how your affiliate links are performing. This is one of the reasons why Affstar stands out: its focus on data. It provides useful insights into what's working and what isn't, which is critical for optimizing your strategies. You could also filter reports by campaign time frame and other parameters, giving you flexibility in how you analyze your performance. As you scroll down, you'll see a section for available tools. Affstar offers several resources designed to help you boost your affiliate marketing efforts. There are tracking tools, banners, and even email templates to make your promotions easier. While the tools are robust, they may feel overwhelming if you're new to affiliate marketing, but with time, you'll likely appreciate the depth of customization they offer. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources, so be sure to check them out after watching the video. Now, let's talk about the support options. Affstar offers 24/7 customer service, which is a huge plus. The support team is responsive, and there are multiple ways to reach them, via live chat, email, or even phone. This ensures that if you run into any issues, you can get help quickly. When it comes to payouts, Affstar operates on a reliable system. You can easily request payments, and they offer various methods, including PayPal and bank transfers. The minimum payout threshold is reasonable, making it accessible for affiliates at different levels. In conclusion, Affstar provides a solid platform for affiliate marketers, offering a clean interface, useful tools, and strong customer support. While it may not be the perfect fit for everyone, especially beginners, those with some experience in affiliate marketing will find it useful. If you're serious about maximizing your affiliate revenue, this platform is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and make sure to subscribe for more reviews like this.